Easily create the custom window valances you've always wanted. The Crest Scalloped TraceShaper is the precision fabric shaping tool that makes it all possible. With this patented slide and trace system, you simply slide, position, and trace the form to size and shape custom valances for almost any window size, shape, or configuration. Use the same reusable Crest Scalloped TraceShaper throughout your home, adjusting the span, shape, and fabric to create valances for different rooms, windows, and layouts. Fusible backing and lining help create crisp, structured panels with a professional finish. Add trim to complete the shape, then slide the finished valance onto a simple curtain rod to hang. The included signature design companion cards give you designer-level guidance at a glance for polished custom results. Step-by-step video tutorials guide you from fabric selection to finished valance. Create custom valances with professional shape, structure, and finish. Traceable Designer is powered by the TraceFit system, a patented slide and trace method for creating custom window treatments with confidence.